What if I told you that just $20 per week, the cost of a cup of coffee, could create a passive income stream of over $6,000 every month? Would you believe it? This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a financial strategy built on the power of dividends, smart reinvestment, and most importantly, time. No need for luck, just discipline. No need for large capital, just the willingness to start early. In this world, those who know how to plant seeds consistently are the ones who reap financial freedom the soonest. So, how can $20 a week turn into a wealth machine worth hundreds of thousands? Let's start with what seems small. The psychological power of $20. Small but life-changing. A $20 bill can easily pass through your hands every week without leaving any impression. A Starbucks coffee, a quick meal, a trinket. But if you look further ahead, imagine, with that same $20, if placed in the right spot, at the right time, with the right strategy, it could become the seed of financial freedom, where you live off dividend income without having to work tirelessly. Ever thought you needed millions to invest? The truth is, you only need discipline and $20. What's amazing is that you don't need to change your whole life, just the way you use a very small portion of it. $20 a week equals 2.8 cents a day, less than a bubble tea. But the long-term impact of this decision is far from small. It's the beginning of a powerful growth cycle. Cash flow, investment, reinvestment, passive income, freedom. What you need is not more money, but a smart investment system, where each dollar has a purpose, a mission, and keeps generating value. Don't underestimate the small steps, for it's the tiny daily habits that will shape your financial destiny in the next 10, 20, or 30 years. The issue is not how much capital you have, but whether you have a clear, consistent, long-term strategy. The power of $20 a week lies in perseverance. It's a commitment to yourself, a declaration that you will master the game of money, step by step. Start small, but finish big. That's how wise people build sustainable wealth. Decoding dividends. The cash machine without selling shares. Dividends are the profits companies pay to shareholders as long as you own shares. The best part? You don't need to sell the shares. You still hold the underlying asset, and cash keeps flowing into your pocket. This is the concept of income without depletion. Income without draining your resources. And the more shares you own, the larger the dividends you receive. It's a reward for patience and the strongest asset growth engine in long-term investing. For example, if you own 100 shares and each share pays $1 a year, you'll earn $100 a year, completely passively. As the company increases its dividend by 10% each year, the next year you'll receive $110, the following year $121, without doing anything more. Most importantly, you don't need to play the buy-sell game to generate profit. Dividends are real, consistent cash flow, and you can live off them. If you build your investment portfolio smartly, focusing on businesses with stable dividend growth. Especially in volatile markets, dividends act as a safety net. While stock prices fluctuate, cash flow remains steady. This provides peace of mind and discipline in investing, preventing panic when the market dips. The more quality stocks you own for the long term, the more you transform from an investor into someone who